We're Ayoa, an all-in-one digital workspace where you can brainstorm ideas, work together and get things done. At Ayoa, our flexible technology ensures that people can work in a way that suits them and collaborate with ease, no matter where they are. We help teams and individuals to build a link between creativity and productivity, giving them the tools they need to work together and turn their ideas into actionable tasks. Mind maps are the core of Ayoa. Their inherent structure and emphasis on visuals make them a powerful tool for people to brainstorm ideas and add clarity to their work. Ayoa's mind maps enable users to change the background color and style of their maps, collapse branches to reduce distractions, use speed keys for keyboard navigation and control, use our idea bank to save ideas not yet ready to be organized. You can also export your mind maps as Word documents, PDFs and images. Project management in Ayoa is anything but rigid. With the option to choose your preferred style, teams can work seamlessly together in the way that suits them. So, whether you want your to-do list to be highly visual, traditional or time-orientated, Ayoa has you covered. Our personal planner is your space to organize tasks from across any task board in Ayoa into 3 categories: now, next or soon, so you can easily prioritize your work and stay focused on what's important. No team can operate without one, so we added digital whiteboards to the mix. This is a highly intuitive drag-and-drop functionality, plus the ability to organize sticky notes, checklists and more. You can also add images, file attachments, flowcharts and much more to your whiteboard, making it the perfect space to gather information and stay inspired. We are committed to building powerful software that supports people globally, providing a flexible solution that everyone can use to be more creative and productive in our ever-changing world.